checklist plugs. First, remove the exhaust pipe, then the tail shaft. Unplug the oxygen sensor. This side, remove the catalytic converter so that more room to remove the transmission. Gear connector, just unclip this one, and it's moving out. Undo this one and clip this one, and then pull. Remove all around the bolts in the gearbox with this E14 tools. Clutch is out, so it's worn out. Flywheel is out, needs a new one as well. Thrust bearing, so this is the thrust bearing for the Commodore, needs a new one as well. Here, torch here. Yeah. Be sure when you bleed, other end of the bleeder is submerged with a brake cleaner.